Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribe now. We appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is Epson WF-2820DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can print, copy and scan and fax. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. You can do auto two-sided print with this printer. This printer got rear paper input. You can print with your mobile device, so it's a mobile printing printer. This printer is with LCD screen. Basically, we're going to unbox this printer, check it out, see what is inside. This will help you to make informed choice about this printer. This printer is using ink cartridges 603 or 603 extra large. In terms of compatibility, this printer need to connect this printer using Epson Smart Panel to be able to use this printer. This printer printing speed is 10.0 print per minute for black color and 5.0 per minute for colored. This printer works with Apple AirPrint Mopria. This is a compact multifunctional printer with mobile connection. What we're going to do now is let's unbox this stuff and check this gear out and see what is inside. This will help you to know more about this printer, and we'll go from there. This is Epson Workforce, and this printer is also got Ready Print Flex. Ready Print Flex, I do get a lot of questions about this. It's an ink subscription service. Basically, Epson will send ink to your home address. You can choose the service, and it starts from €1.99 per month or £1.29 a month. So you select the service you want, and Epson will send the ink to your home address. So basically, you will never run out of ink. Okay, so you can see what we have here. This is the information pack and disk. This contains the software for this printer. Basically, you stick this to your PC and download the software, and the software for this printer will be WF-2820 series. But if you connect this printer using your mobile device, which is you need to download Epson Smart Panel from your Play Store. Once you download the software, once you download the app, then you don't need this software disk. Okay, so the app can also work. This is the ink cartridges. These are the ink cartridges 603, and also 603 extra large can work for it. This is cyan, which is light blue and yellow, and this one is magenta, red and black color. So 4 ink cartridges included in the packaging. Okay, now we're going to bring out this gear. There we go. So this is very light, it's not heavy. This is black color, and this is the power cable. 3-pin power cable is included in the packaging. What I cannot see here is the USB cable. It's not included. They don't normally include a USB cable with these printers these days. They expect you to connect this printer using your mobile device and connect it using Wi-Fi network. Yeah, this is beautiful. This printer is very compact. You can see what it looks like. I like the color, black and very light, it's not heavy. Just gonna bring the measure, tape measure, so that you can see this printer from here, okay, this end to here is 38 centimeter, okay. So this is 38 centimeter, and from here, from this end, so you can call this diameter, from this end to here is 30 centimeter, okay. And from the bottom, from this end or length is 18 centimeter, okay. Now what we're going to do is just to remove the packaging. This is beautiful stuff, very light. Okay, so just removing the packaging. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just removing the packaging, and this is the rear paper tray here. Okay, from the back, I'm just gonna tell you that the power cable goes here. So the power cable goes here. The bottom spot is a power cable. On top of it is a USB cable. This is Ethernet cable. The USB cable is by the side. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included. We got this at Vinetech store, free delivery here in UK. So the USB cable goes here, then you connect this printer to your laptop, okay. And if you have any paper jam, this is where to check for any paper jam. I do get a lot of questions about paper jam, so this is where to check for any paper jam and debris, and gently remove it. And once you're done, make sure you cover it. There are springs here, you just need to press it to hold it together and go back in. So this also kind of function like the rear paper tray. This is the paper tray. This is where you load particular paper you want to use, okay. So you can load A4 paper, 4x6, various sizes of paper here, photo paper, and print your document, okay. And this is the LCD screen. Okay, so this is LCD screen with front panel, and here is the scanner, flat bell scanner. You can see the scanner, what it looks like, okay. So this is the scanner, and if you open up this printer this way, the ink cartridges holder is here to the corner, okay. Once you switch this printer on, it will come right in the middle for you to change it. It does this automatically. Like I said earlier, it's using ink 603 or 603 extra large. And also this is where the document rests. So I'm just gonna bring this out. So just removing all the packaging so that you'll be able to switch this printer on. Okay, so this is where the document rests. So if you print out your document, it will rest on top of this flap, okay. Now we're going to so lift this printer up, okay, and this hold it, okay. And if you want to close it, push it front and close, open up, and it will set, push forward, close it, okay. Now what I want us to do is to plug this printer, and we'll go from there. So this is the power cable, 3-pin power cable. You can use, depending on country you reside, I think US use 2-pin. So pretty much you just need to use that particular. So this is 3-pin power cable, okay. And the power cable goes here. Push it inside. Push inside, and this in, okay. Now the next is we need to plug this printer on to the socket. So plug it onto the socket. Once you plug it on, the next to do is, so this printer now, you switch it on and off from here. So this is the on and off button. Switch it on and give it some time to be ready. Here we go. You can see it's on. Okay, so you need to choose the language and follow the instruction. Okay, so choose your language and follow the instruction to set up the printer. Okay, you can see the language, English, so you can choose Netherlands. So choose particular language you want and follow the instructions. So I'm going to check out my next video how to install the ink and set this printer up. If you're happy with this overview, please do consider to subscribe. I also want to mention that this printer, you can see the scan resolution is 1200 by 2400 dpi, and print resolution is 5760 by 1440 dpi. Okay, so this printer is compatible with Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or later, Windows XP, XP3, Windows X Professional, Windows Server, Mac OS. Connection, like I said earlier, is wireless, Wi-Fi direct with high-speed USB cable. USB cable is not included in the packaging. Okay, but we got this at Vinetech store, free delivery here in UK. Check it out. Thank you very much indeed. Like, subscribe, appreciate you. Thank you. Peace.